We'll use a plastic trim remover tool like this, and first we'll take out this master window switch. We'll punch in the tool on the top edge of the window switch and then slightly pull it outwards. We also need to punch in the tool on the edge of the window switch until it's completely taken out. There it is. Once that is taken out, notice behind there are some plugs. There's one plug right here and the other plug right there. What we'll do is we'll have to press and hold that tab right there and then pull the plug outwards. There it is, the bigger plug is taken out. Similar way, we'll take out the smaller plug. We'll press and hold that tab right there and then pull the plug outwards. There it is. With that, we are done taking out the master window switch. Right where we took out the switch panel, notice underneath there's that one screw that also needs to be taken out. Here, I'm using a Phillips screwdriver to take that screw outwards. While taking out the screw, I noticed we had to wiggle it at the very end to take it out completely. There it is, that screw is taken out. Now what we'll do is we'll grab a plastic trim remover tool like this. We'll punch in the tool on the bottom left corner of the door panel. Once the tool is in, then we will just pull out the door panel. There it is, the door is pulled. Notice from the other side underneath, it also came out itself. Now from the middle, we'll do the same thing again, punch in the tool and then pull the door panel outwards. There's the door pulled from the middle. Similar needs to be done on the other side, punch in the tool and then pull it outwards. We have to make sure that from all over the edges, the door panel is pulled out. Once the door panel is pulled out from all over the edges, only then we will grab the door panel and then slightly lift it upwards. And just like that, you would notice the complete door panel is taken down. In my case, while pulling out the door panel, these two plugs just got stuck somewhere on the door, but that was about it. In your case, just keep that in your mind while pulling out the door panel. With that, we are done with the takeout. Now, in case if you want to put back the door panel, just reverse the steps of takeout and you should be fine. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.